I'm Jonathon Miles. I'm the Managing Director, owner of Innerspace, here today to present this amazing project, Shore Hire. Innerspace provides furniture solutions predominantly, but other products too, to a whole range of different clients. When you walk into the building, the first thing you see is this amazing structure that's here. It's an old warehouse from the 1960s that's really been brought up to speed. The original brief from Shore Hire was to layer on top of what is a very industrial space and to add a warmer element to the space. We added a lot of materials, a lot of timber, a lot of upholstery, lots of products that were from a lot of our different brands that we represent. But we also provided some custom solutions, which we are very good at. We quite enjoy that process. And the idea was to create a warm and inviting space for the users here.
I'm Luke Geelan, one of the owners of Shore Hire. It's a family business. We rent out specialised construction equipment for holding up buildings and holding up trenches. We're here in Condell Park at our brand new head office that we've just recently completed. We had a really amazing collaboration from day one with Innerspace, with H&E Architects and with Evolve Construction. All those three teams worked really well together to make sure that the furniture was going to match the feel of the building, which was going to match the construction. And when you walk through, you'll see that it's worked out beautifully. We created a space that when you walk inside, there's a big aluminium box that sits in the middle of the structure. That aluminium box has actually been made by aluminium panels that we use in our own product to manufacture our shoring boxes with. When we were dealing with H&E Architects, he wanted to bring in our product into the space, so it became very much our space. It's clearly a new box inside an old box, which was what the dream was. There's a lot of open spaces around. There's some cafe-style seating in the front around our kitchen area, and there's some breakout spaces inside and out. We've created two really interesting staircases. They were both custom staircases. We've got two open plan offices upstairs and down. Those two workspaces are surrounded by offices that are nice and well lit. Innerspace really chose some nice custom pieces to suit the spaces that we wanted to create. The proudest part of the build for me is how much my staff are loving coming to work in a nice open office, free-flowing airflow with some great breakout spaces and some functionality that they really love.
One of the key things that we can offer is the ability to repurpose something that's old that we can create into something new. Celebrating what's here and not just knocking it over and starting again, and working with the building rather than working against the building. We did a lot of custom tables for the meeting areas, and they are using solid timber materials mixed in with steel, and that plays off the space that's already here and really speaks to the language and the volume of the space. We did a lot of outdoor area too, where they have staff going out for their lunch. We obviously did all the workstations too, the seating for that. And we did all of the breakout furniture too in all the collaborative and open areas. We received a sketch from the architect of a design for Luke's desk. We looked through our collection of products that we have through our existing brands, couldn't find anything in the market that provided that solution. So 3 years ago, I created Imposter Design to solve those exact problems, providing something unique and special that you can't get anywhere else. The product that we have here with Luke's desk is a product that actually is called the Shore Thing, because it's a riff on Shore Hire. Shore Hire is a great example of what we can do. I think sometimes we're a well-kept secret, and I think showing people what we're capable of doing, what we have done here, and what we do on a daily basis is really important.